This is Jay.
Hi, I'm Son. Annyeong.
Annyeong. Okay, so for today, we are going to eat Yakun Kaya Toast. And actually in Korea, this one is kind of like one of the famous that you must try when you come to Singapore.
In Malaysia, it's a popular food every morning.
Kaya Toast, yeah.
Yeah.
In Malaysia, also famous.
No, not the name. Actually, like a kopitiam.
Kopitiam.
Kopitiam. Today is a morning, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, so this one usually people eat as a brunch. Ooh. It's pretty simple. So like this kind of menu. That's all. Like normally people eat with hot beverages.
Yeah. Like this one.
I heard that there's like egg, half-boiled egg, is it?
Yeah.
Egg. This is they have a value set also. Comes with egg. Simply Kaya Toast with butter set. It's nice. It comes with one of hot beverages and half-boiled egg. You?
This one, you must try this one and this one. This one, I really like this one.
Must try steamed bread. We're gonna order set A and steamed bread.
You want extra egg? I want extra egg.
Yeah, no, can.
这个 set A 2 set，这个鸡蛋2 set。你看那个里面 kopi teh。
Tea.
Teh.
Okay. I think like once you come to Singapore as a tourist, I think you can try like once you wake up late in the morning, then you can go like simply go out and Kaya Toast, Kaya Toast. Since when the Kaya Toast is very famous?
When China comes to Malaysia,
They bring it.
yeah, they bring it up.
Yakun is what? The brand?
No, it's a name.
Name?
Yeah, open this restaurant. The guys call Yakun. I think that.
Like McDonald's?
McDonald's is it's just a name.
McDonald's also McDonald's.
Just a restaurant name. But this one is a person.
No, McDonald's is a person name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
How to eat? Is it like mixing with the soy sauce like this?
Yeah.
What's this?
This is soya salsa.
The black pepper.
Yeah. So this one
Is it sweet sauce?
yeah, it's a sweet sauce. Yeah, that's yeah.
是真情来的。
真情就是真情啊！真情我等於邊？我等於嗰陣。
It's
It's a milk tea.
milk tea.
Yeah, but it's Malaysia.
I know. Tetsari kopi o.
Masala is like something like
Sha.
Chinese sweet no sugar. How you do it? Like this.
It's quite thin. Oh, it's very thin.
Oh, this one have planta. This one is kaya.
Planta? Butter, yeah.
这2份啊？
这2份。
Wow, hey, it eat like this,
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, what he said is we put soy sauce, yeah. Okay. Mix, yeah. No mix.
Don't mix.
Why don't mix?
Just take the yolk.
Drink,
Yeah, the yolk.
It's moving.
It come to your mouth first.
Oh.
It's fucking
Maybe you will explode in here. You explode in here. It's ready to feel. Wow.
I just prefer full boiled egg.
Just drink it. No, put something. Just drink it. Just drink the yolk.
it's raw.
Now this is the butter kaya.
Okay, let me try to eat now. This one, I thought it's gonna be like very thick and then normal like a sandwich burns, but it's very thin. But inside got a butter. Kaya jam with the butter.
Some people will miss it. So this one for me.
This one. Actually, I don't really like sweet things, but this one is just okay. The sweetness, it's just balanced. Oh, this one is very nice.
Another way is doing like this.
Alright.
Drink it.
Protein, protein, yeah, protein, protein, protein.
It's fucking raw!
So this one you put a bit enough. You stir.
Stir, yeah. Oh, this is another way of eating, yeah. Mixing. This is another culture. This is just raw.
Oh, it's raw.
I just want to try for like no soy sauce.
It's really. Not bad, right?
Just better than eating this one only.
Like,
Oh, really a very soft one. Cheers.
I prefer this one.
Like this, like this. There are two ways of eating. One is just like swallow on my throat, like, and then this is mixing one. Another way. So two ways. Okay. I prefer this one, mixing.
I prefer this one.
You prefer just drink it soft, crispy. Wow, already full eh. Yeah, use mine. This is a soup eh, already soup.
Not bad, right? The taste actually.
It's bad. Well, I don't think Korean people will like it this one.
I like it.
I don't like it.
I forgot to tell you,
Tell me what?
Chinese drink the tea, never drink the water.
Why?
Because of the tea bag.
You know what he say? If you drink until the bottom, there's a black thing say at the bottom, you will get a cancer.
Yeah.
Dangerous. God said that's okay. Based on his opinion only. It was not bad.
Yeah, not bad actually.
There's so many ways to explain this one. Not bad. So delicious. Okay, so very nice. Delicious. Toast are very delicious, but the egg. Okay. So for today, our video is end off here. Bye. 再见.
再见. 사랑해요.
사랑해요.
안녕.
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 안녕.